Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel daily viewers. In front of me Navitel device. I have Navitel T787 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to improve battery life on this tablet. So firstly, we need to open settings. Okay, then in settings, scroll down, and if you are using Wi-Fi but don't using mobile network, disable the mobile network. If you are using the mobile network but you are not using Wi-Fi right now, disable the Wi-Fi, because if one of these services is enabled, these services are consuming your battery power to search for their networks. For example, mobile network searching for 4G, Wi-Fi for nearby Wi-Fi networks. And of course, don't forget about hotspot and tethering, because if you have enabled the hotspot, so your device is constantly sharing the Wi-Fi, and it's a really difficult operation for any device, and it's consuming your battery power too. Go back, then scroll down and find here battery. Oh, so sorry, not the storage, but battery. Okay, and here in the battery we have battery saver. Here we can enable battery saver mode, and we can set a schedule of battery saver mode, for example, to schedule your battery saving mode. To do it, you just need to click on this button and choose based on percentage and set, for example, 20%. And now when you will have less than 20% of battery power, your tablet will automatically enable battery saver mode. So great. And the last step you can do to improve battery life on your device is to reduce the screen brightness. So reduce the screen brightness on your tablet, reduce it, and in this way you will have more battery power, because screen consuming a lot of battery power. So you can play games, you can read books, but if you have enabled screen on the max brightness, so your device will lose battery power very fast. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.